This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust your mouse pointer size in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To adjust your mouse pointer size in Windows 11, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the Settings dialog box, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Mouse and click on Mouse. Then on this page, down here under Related Settings, you'll see Mouse, Pointer, and Touch. Pointer size and color. You want to click on mouse pointer and touch. And then right up here, size. There's a slider off to the right hand side here. The more you move this slider to the right side, the larger your mouse pointer will become. The more you move the slider to the left side, the smaller your mouse pointer will become. That is how you adjust the size of your mouse pointer in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.